Okay, actually this slide is about row and column basics, okay, for you to understand more about row and columns, okay. Microsoft Excel, okay, is in a tabular format consisting of rows and columns, okay. Row runs horizontally, all right, while columns are run vertically, okay. So this is a row and this is a column, okay. So each row, okay, each row is identified by row number which run vertically at the left side of the sheet, okay, while each column, okay, is identified by column header which runs horizontally at the top of the sheet, okay. So let us see how to move the last row or the last column, okay. So you can go to the last row by clicking, okay, control down navigation arrow, okay. So you press, okay, control and navigation down navigation arrow, okay, for you to see the last row of the interface, okay. And then you can go to the last column, okay, by clicking control right navigation arrow also, okay, control right navigation. So you will see the row header now is a H instead of before this is a A, okay. So the cell introduction, okay. So what is the meanings of cell introduction? Okay, the intersection of rows and columns, okay, intersections of rows and columns, okay, we call as a cell. Okay, cell is identified with combination of column header and row number, okay. So example here, okay, when I go up again, okay, so example here, okay, when I click this cell, okay, so this is what it means by active cells, okay. So we refer to the column header and we refer to the row header. So in this case, okay, so my active cells, okay, we refer it as a B2. Okay, so the other way how you want to identify your active cell, you can refer to the name box. They will display the active cells currently as a B2. So when you move around, okay, when you move to another cell, okay, the name box will display the active cell, okay. So just to remind you again, what is the meaning of cell? The intersection of rows and columns, that we call it as a cell.